Hello, welcome to our Yak Back Template installation video. I'm going to give a quick explanation of vocabulary files and how they work with TouchChat. TouchChat provides a variety of pages that have different button layouts. Each set of those pages, or vocabulary set, is called a vocabulary file. TouchChat provided vocabulary files have locks in front of them indicating they cannot be deleted. In order to add pages, buttons, or edit vocabulary files at all, they must first be copied, resulting in an unlocked vocabulary file. So let's start by showing you how to do that. Go ahead and open up the TouchChat application on your device. In the top left, you can see the vocab button. If you click that, you can choose new vocab. This shows you all of the locked vocabularies that come with TouchChat. The one that we're currently on shows with the check word power 60. If you go to menu, you can select copy a vocab and note whatever vocabulary you're currently on with that green check. You're going to copy that vocab, in this case, word power 60. Rename the file. We like to use year, month, day. And since this is typically for our daughter Ellie, we put Ellie and then the type of vocabulary. In this case, we're going to just use example. Now it shows that you have an unlocked vocabulary file that you can consider your master vocabulary file. In the next step, we are going to import the downloaded Yak Back vocabulary file. Just a quick note, we recommend downloading the file to the device it's intended to be used on for the easiest setup. If the file was downloaded directly to the AAC device from our website, tap on the newly downloaded Yak Back template. If it does not automatically open, there will be an option to open in TouchChat or import file into TouchChat. Use the default name included with the Yak Back template and note this name for later use. Save it. Another note, we try to name every Yak Back template consistent with the name of the theme it's representing. So if it's for a movie, in this case Elemental, it would be named MovieElemental. If it's a TV show, say Blippie, it would be named TvBlippie. Next, we're going to navigate back to our master vocabulary file. This loads it into view, and at the top right you can select Menu and Edit Page. This shows edit page mode with the red banner at the top. Select Menu again, and we'll be able to import or copy a page. Then import another page. You'll be able to see the Yak Back template name, and when you select it, it opens up the page name inside. Both should be the same, in this case, MovieElemental. Select Import, and then Done. You'll notice you're still in Edit Page mode with the red banner at the top, so you can select Menu again, and we're going to load the page we just imported. You can scroll to it, or you can type, in this case, Movie, and it shows MovieElemental. Select it, and then select Done. You'll notice again that you are still in Edit Page mode with the red banner at the top. You can go down to the bottom left corner, just to the right of the left arrow, and copy the button with the title of the page. Select Done, and this is where you can place that button in any part of your master vocabulary. This is going to be heavily personal preference. If you want that button to be easily accessible, put it toward their home page, or maybe one click deep. In our case, since we're talking about the MovieElemental, we're going to use Groups, TV and Movies, and I'm going to use one of these lower left blank tiles to place that button. Go to Menu, Edit Page. The red banner will pop up at the top to let you know you're in edit page mode. Then tap the tile you want to place the button. Select Use Same Button, not Paste Button. That way, if this button ever changes, it changes globally in your vocabulary. Select Done, and then you can navigate to your button. In our case, Groups, TV Movies, and select Elemental, and it takes you to your new Elemental page. We hope these instructions were useful, and we want to sincerely thank you for using Yak Back templates. Our dream is that they bring the same value to you that they have our family.